In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically insert date and timestamp in Google Sheets. This can be incredibly useful for tracking changes, logging updates, or simply keeping a record of when data was entered into your spreadsheet. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, we'll need to have Google Sheets open. If you're not already in a Google Sheet, go ahead and open one now. If you don't have a specific spreadsheet in mind, you can also start a new one for practice. Once you're in your Google Sheet, locate cell B2 on the spreadsheet. This is where we'll be entering our formula that will handle the automatic insertion of the date and the timestamp. Click into cell B2 to ensure that it's selected. This is going to be our focal point where the magic happens. Now, onto the core of the task. We'll need to enter a specific formula into cell B2. The formula we're using today is EC IF A2 IF B2 D0 now B2 G. Let's break this down a bit to understand what each part of the formula does. The IF function is checking whether cell A2 is empty. The two sets of quotation marks with nothing in between them represent an empty string. If A2 is not empty, the formula checks if there is already a date in cell B2. If not, it uses the now function to insert the current date and time. If there's already data in B2, it leaves it unchanged. Be sure when you're entering this formula to copy it exactly as it's shown. Any mistyped characters or missing parentheses will prevent it from functioning properly. Once you've double-checked everything, it's time to apply the formula by hitting the Enter key on your keyboard. When you press Enter, if you have data in cell A2, you should immediately see the timestamp appear in cell B2, reflecting the exact date and time at which the formula was executed. However, if A2 is empty, nothing will change in B2. This makes the process seamless and keeps your spreadsheet organized without manual input each time you enter new data. That's all there is to it. With just a quick setup, you've learned how to automate date and timestamp entries in Google Sheets, saving you time and ensuring accuracy. Whether you're monitoring progress, tracking updates, or documenting a process, this simple formula enhances your spreadsheet's efficiency. Feel free to rewind this video as often as you need to ensure every step is clear. Thanks for watching, and happy spreadsheeting.